guys, how are you today? Good morning from the Sultan Garuda International Airport. Today I would like to show you the aircraft. The aircraft is taking off from runway 17. Usually runway 17 using for landing, but nowadays runway in use runway 17 for takeoff due to winds. Maybe I think this morning have a really strong wind. So check this out, my videos. Okay, here we go, guys. Si traffic dah. Garuda Indonesia Boeing 737-800 next generations. Alright, sorry for the video quality because I record with my phone camera. Okay, V1 rotate right now and lift off bound to Jakarta. Okay, airborne right now, and the aircraft will be left turn and joining to Jila Highway or Darus, I think. Sorry, Mosul. Jila or Mosul. Okay, thank you guys. Have a nice day. Ciao.